how to tie a furoshiki in the style of bin Tsutsumi. Step 1 is to choose your furoshiki. This one is our tulip on water print. Lay your furoshiki printed side down. Make sure you smooth it out. Next, place the bottle in the center of the furoshiki. Join the top right and bottom left corners at the top and make a bow. Next, take the two remaining corners and wrap them around the bottle, crossing them over one another. Join them at the front and make a second bow. This is a fantastic way to wrap any bottle you're giving as a gift. Follow along for more furoshiki wrapping tutorials.